Ever wondered what a bidet toilet is and how it works? Today, we're diving into this game-changing bathroom fixture that's transforming how we think about hygiene, comfort, and sustainability. Let's explore why it's becoming so popular. What is a bidet toilet? A bidet toilet combines the functionality of a regular toilet with a built-in bidet feature, using water to clean you after using the restroom. Unlike traditional toilets that rely only on waste disposal, bidet toilets have a spray system that ensures more thorough cleaning, reducing the need for toilet paper. Modern versions come with adjustable water pressure and temperature controls, allowing for a fully customizable experience. How does a bidet toilet work? A bidet toilet works by spraying water to clean you after you've finished. After activating the system through a remote or side panel, a nozzle directs clean, fresh water exactly where you need it. You can adjust the water pressure and temperature, making it a personalized and hygienic experience. The water comes from your home's plumbing system, ensuring it's always fresh and ready. Many bidet toilets also feature additional functions like air drying and self-cleaning nozzles, making your bathroom routine even easier and more hygienic. The air drying feature removes the need for toilet paper, while the self-cleaning nozzle sanitizes itself after each use to keep things germ-free. And for extra comfort, some high-end models come with heated seats, making those colder months a lot more comfortable. Benefits of a bidet toilet. The biggest advantage of a bidet toilet is improved hygiene. Water is much more effective than toilet paper at cleansing, especially for preventing irritation or bacterial buildup. This is particularly beneficial for people with sensitive skin or certain medical conditions like hemorrhoids. Bidet toilets also promote sustainability by reducing your toilet paper use, which can have a significant impact on the environment. By switching to a bidet, you're not only reducing waste, but also contributing to fewer trees being cut down. Comfort is another key benefit. Many bidet toilets offer features like heated seats, adjustable pressure, and air dryers, making your bathroom experience feel like a mini spa. Beyond hygiene, bidets can also contribute to better health. They can help prevent UTIs and other hygiene-related issues, especially for women. Common features and customization. One of the main selling points of bidet toilets is their high level of customization. Most models let you adjust water pressure, temperature, and nozzle position to perfectly match your preferences. Plus, many bidets come with a heated seat, ensuring comfort no matter the season. Self-cleaning nozzles are another feature, so you can rest assured the system stays hygienic after each use. For those who want even more convenience, air dryers and deodorizing features mean you can completely skip toilet paper. Who should consider a bidet toilet? Bidet toilets are perfect for anyone looking to enhance their hygiene, comfort, and sustainability. They're especially helpful for individuals with sensitive skin, medical conditions like hemorrhoids or mobility issues, offering a gentler, more thorough cleanse than toilet paper. Eco-conscious homeowners will love the environmental benefits, reducing paper waste and contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. Bidet toilets are also great for anyone who appreciates modern technology and luxurious comfort in their home. However, they may not be suitable for everyone. The initial cost of a bidet toilet can be higher than traditional models, so it's important to factor that in. Additionally, if you prefer a more traditional toilet setup or have limited space, a bidet may not be the best fit for you. Bidet toilets offer a more hygienic, comfortable, and eco-friendly alternative to traditional toilets. With advanced features and health benefits, they're a smart upgrade for any bathroom. Would you make the switch?